So I'm assuming that you have already installed MAMP or XAMPP or WAMP on Windows um, before uh, viewing this video. So let's start. Now that I have a folder created here, we will use this and we will transfer this folder. You can name your folder anything. It should be inside the themes folder. Okay. So let's open this up and then just transfer, drag it there, folder to workplace. Now you see it's empty as indicated here also. So let's start creating our file. Now the files we are going to create are the starter files. These files are required for WordPress to read it and to not warn us or give us an error. So let's start with just typing anything we can do, and we will view it later. So hello WP, because why not? So after that, let's create style.css. Apparently I cannot spell. Yeah, okay, so style.css is what WordPress uses um, to read the name and other information about this theme. So we will add a header here after creating functions.php. So alright, let's use that too and save. Now let's copy the let's go to the codex, WordPress codex. Apparently I cannot spell right. Okay, codex, WordPress codex, style. Just type it like this, and Google will show us this link. Now click that link and just copy everything here. Now we don't have to change everything, only the things that we need to see, like the theme name. So basically everything must be the same. You can customize that later, but for now, just for us to see the name of the theme, let's try and my folder no awesomeness. Let's make it look awesomeness. Is that a word? Okay, just save. I don't know if that's a word, but let's get back to our installation of WordPress. Now let's go to the theme. Okay. Now these here are the themes available for you to install. You can download themes here, but for now, for the purpose of this video, we will just activate excuse me, we'll just activate the theme that we created. So that's awesomeness. Okay, so it's active now, and we didn't get any errors because our starter files are already here. So let's view this site, and like so we see what we did here. So we can change that too. Hello WP, 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 and more WP. Alright, now that's saved. Let's refresh. And that's it. You now have your you now have the skeletal frame of your theme. So if you'd like this video, please give it a like down below, and see you later, guys. Bye.